everyone, welcome back to my channel. On today's tutorial I'm going to show you how to remove Instagram profile picture. Now these are very easy steps and you just want to stick with me to the end of this video to see how you can actually remove that Instagram profile picture. Now the first thing is to get to your Instagram, and then the next thing is to tap on your profile picture at the bottom right hand corner of your screen. When you get here, you're going to see an option that says edit profile. You want to tap on edit profile, and then guys, you're going to be tapping on edit picture or avatar. There's an option there, is at the top of your screen directly under your profile picture or avatar. Now tap on that, and there you go guys. You're going to see an option that says remove current picture. That is like deleting the profile picture you have currently. So you want to tap on remove current picture. This is how to remove your Instagram profile picture. Now if you found this video helpful, you want to subscribe to this channel for more tips and tricks. Now see you in my next video. Bye.